Bali, ang nagsama sa amin sa grupo, ang nagpakilala sa amin sa Broom is si Oso. Kasi nakasama namin sa isang biyahe sa Bataan. Kumbaga, subukan niya yung grupo. Hindi ko naman na-expect na ma-involve ako sa grupo kasi ang purpose ko is tingnan lang. Kasi may grupo kami na organize dati. So nakita ko sila, organize sila talaga na maganda ang samahan. Kaya lang nung una medyo mahirap. Parang mahirap sumama sa grupo kasi lahat halos kalog. So hanggang dumating ang sumunod na meeting na nagkasundo-sundo, nagkakilalanan. Ayun, hanggang sa naging na ako sa grupo, open na ako.
All the homies, they know what I mean. Baby, let me have some beans.
Like a gordo.
Lay back, beef prime cut. When I order, they all be like, what?
Like a gordo.
Wings and thighs, legs and breasts, wings and thighs, legs and breasts, wings and thighs, legs and breasts, wings and thighs.
Like a gordo. All up for some grub, a 10-piece. Looking for some tortas, extra meat. I need a fat one, obese. Find an open drive-thru, so don't sleep. Damn, I want beans, I want rice, but I really want pork. It is closed, I can tell. Let me get back in the ramfla boil by the hotel. But right now, I want food. Show these little vatos I'm a fatty dude. I do eat a whole lot, never enough. Eat links of fries, keep soda in my cup. He's thin, I'm fat. Renardo's is where the real cheese at. You can find us sitting in the back, watching that chicken go around on the rack like a gordo.
Wings and thighs, legs and breasts, wings and thighs, legs and breasts, wings and thighs, legs and breasts, wings and thighs.
Like a gordo.
Wings and thighs, legs and breasts, wings and thighs, legs and breasts, wings and thighs, legs and breasts, wings and thighs.
I'm round and I'm round. The homies love sizzling like heat to the meat. Can't see the MJs on my feet. I'm looking real big, like a pig. Never be lean if you know what I mean. Pocket full of feria, mucho dinero. Let me order now, pollo campero. Let me eat my food, you eat yours. Sweating so much, manteca coming out my pores. It's like that, yeah, I'm fat. I'm a perro trying to chase Kit Kat. Hey waitress, don't you stress. Bring more food back, yeah, I can eat to that. Now she wants me, but I ain't going home, no, cause I eat like a gordo.
Wings and thighs, legs and breasts, wings and thighs, legs and breasts, wings and thighs, legs and breasts, wings and thighs.
Like a gordo.
Wings and thighs, legs and breasts, wings and thighs, legs and breasts, wings and thighs, legs and breasts, wings and thighs.
Like a gordo.
Come on, March.
Teka, ulit. Game. Maingay ah. Okay, game.
Teka, naalala mo yung biyahe na sa Baguio? Yup, March 3 and 4 yun. Oo, 20 yata tayo.
March kami yung trip lang na biyahe.
2006 yun. Kasama pa namin sila President Jaber, Marvin, si Paolo, si Astra, si Dennis, at si Edwin. Doon lang nag-start.
Una, pagka may problema ka kagad, nandun kagad sila. Tapos, sa biyahe, masarap dahil nandun yung bonding, nandun yung tulungan kung may problema sa motor o bawat isang tao na problema rider, nandun kagad. Sasabi ko lang, masarap ang Broom na kasama.
Kanamiglig ka siya, Atlas!
Dream Riders Organization of Mangingino. Yan po, pagka nagmi-meeting pagkatapos sigurado may inuman. Problema nga lang po, may mga sumisayap lang. Kaya kami, natatakot na. Wala lang, nadaan na ako nun. May meeting pala sila. Sinalay ko ni Martin. Experience. Bawal sumembang papuntang Baguio. Hirap, umaabot yun ng 12 oras sa kasada. Most memorable, sa Baguio, syempre 12 oras na sa kalsada, napakainit. Dito
Pagdating dyan sa mga ganyang organisasyon tulad ng BIM, meron din dyan na talagang meron ka rin makakapahan. Diba? Ganun. Mga matadaling tawagin, pag may problema, okay naman na tumulong sila sa iyo na walang kapalit. Yun ang kainaman ng BIM. Kaya sa lahat ng tumatangkilik mo ng mga Broom members, I love you all!
Kaya habang konti, magkakagaguan, pagkakaroon. Malamang. Mahal pa naman ito, kuha mo ang konti.